Hello there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about sales deficit and surplus, and we will have this dynamic chart for each salesperson. So we'll look into that, and here is the instruction page that will guide us how to insert the data, and here is the benefits and for whom this is recommended. And I'll come to this page at the end. So here is the data for salesperson and sales values. It could be in a month or in a week or daily based on your business circumstances. And here is the target. In this particular case, we have set 3 different targets based on the seniority of the salespersons. For the beginners, we have set 60, and for junior we have set 70 and 80 for senior salespersons. And we have used this additional element to construct this beautiful chart, and we have used several steps. For example, we have used actually about 30 steps to construct this. And the first one is, for example, is how to insert data into salesperson, sales and the target, then creating a support sheet, which I have shown you this support sheet, and then having a minimum value and so on and so forth. And we have used to construct stack 2D, and we have also used different coloring. So those are the major steps, and to construct a similar chart you can actually follow these steps and construct by your own. So let's get back to the data. Here we have sales data for the salespersons by their name: Abdi, Bona, Chala, Dame, Eba, Hawi, Jitu, Moti, Name, and Osa. And here is the target for given to them to accomplish in a given time. In your condition, it could be daily or weekly or monthly. And here is the sales performance, and here is the display of the chart. And these values are in a blue circle. Like for example, for Abdi, which is 84, is his performance, and this with green color is here his achievement above the target, where this target is 70, and he has actually performed 14 extra in a surplus, as a surplus compared to his target. And the red one shows which is a deficit of the sales compared to the target set. For example, for Dame, which is currently displaying 12 as a deficit, his performance is 68. Yeah, 68, and his target is 80, and he's actually a deficit of this. So we can actually make a sales analysis based on this data. And from this particular data, three salespersons are actually performing below their target. Dame, which is 12 below his target, Eba 33 below his target, and Name 9 below his target. And the rest, Abdi, Bona, Jala, Hawi, Jitu, and Moti have actually above their target for their performance is good. So that's how it works. And this is very important for tracking sales performance for salespeople. So let's look into the purpose of this chart. Here are the benefits of this chart. The first one is it is easy and convenient to enter data. As I have already displayed here, we can simply enter our target and our performance. So it is easy, automatically update sales based on the value we have actually used here. Automatically generate sales chart and achievement. It's also save time and avoid manual calculations, and convenient to share to salespeople and sales manager and support to follow up. In this particular case, for example, based on this data, we have to actually support those people which are actually their performance is below the target, and so on. So we can actually make informed decision, and this is actually recommended for sales managers, sales team, or salespersons, business organizations, booksellers, or stationery owners, or small business owners. So they can use it. And let's look how this is actually dynamically changes when you actually change our numbers. In this particular case, for example, the last one, which is for OPSA, the sales performance is 60 and the target is also 60. If you actually change, for example, in this into his performance is actually 80, and can you see it? It actually automatically it changes his performance, where now it is 80 is his performance, and his against the target, which is 20 above the target. Similarly for this guy, we can actually currently it is 51, the target is 60. Let's say it is 75. So it automatically updates its performance. So that's how it works, and so that we can know our sales performance in terms of salespersons. Based on this decision, we can actually make informed decision. Like for example, we can support those salespeople whose performance is below the target, and we can also actually give reward for best performing ones, and so on. In this particular case, we have used different target based on the seniority of the salespeople. We can also have a similar target. In this particular case, in the second data we have here, the target is same for all, and in this particular case, uh, yeah, 4 people are actually performing below the target: Dame, Eba, Name, and Osa, and the remaining are actually have a good performance. As you can see here is the target, which is shown by this black line. Is, you see, it is straight because here the target is the same. But in the previous, if you see, can you see there is an actually staggered line that shows the target is different for different people based on their uh, levels. For beginners 60, for juniors 70, and for senior salespeople we have said 80. But in the second one, the target is the same, and so in this particular case, the sales performance is actually showing based on their performance. Let's look again, for example, for EBA. Currently, EBA is performance is 47 and the target is 70. If you actually make this, for example, 67, observe how the change is actually reflected in the table. Yeah, like this. If I make it, for example, 80, can you see it? So this, the chart shows and dramatically changes dynamically. So this chart is actually useful to track our sales performance, to track sales performance and our sales surplus and deficit based on the set target. And the set target is the same in this particular case in the second data, but in the first one we have different sales targets based on the seniority of the people involved in the sales. So that's it, and it is actually very useful to track our performance. If you want to construct similar chart, you can follow these steps. They are all easy steps you can construct by your own. So that's it, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing and like our video so that you'll actually get similar videos coming from our channel. Here is the reason why you should subscribe, and this is you will get different tools that will actually help you to manage your business, to manage your project if you are working on project, to manage your work, to automate your activity, to increase your productivity, to learn new skills, and to make informed decisions. So these are the reasons why you should subscribe to our channel and get different kinds of project or business management tools. So that's it, and thank you very much for coming to this channel, and please consider sharing this video to your network, and bye bye. See you in the next video.